Okay, so all I need to do is make this image a link. We already have a link right up here, so let's just cut and paste that. Okay, so I'm going to grab from the anchor tag all the way over to the blank, right, to the end of that target blank. See how we've opened our anchor tag right here with the left angle bracket, and here's where that's closing. Okay, so we're going to grab that whole chunk right there, and we're just going to put that by copying it, and then I'm going to paste it right in front of the image. Okay, like so. Now we have the open anchor tag referencing this particular link with this title, target blank, meaning it's going to open up in a new window, and then within that we have our image, okay? And then, our image, of course, here's our image source pointing to the JPEG. Here's the width and height attributes. The alt of that image, which would be the alternative text if the image for some reason can't be displayed or it's useful for screen readers. And then what I'm going to do is I'm going to close that anchor tag right there on the other side of the entire image area, which is right here, the image element. Okay, now let's go ahead and try that. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open this in Firefox. Alright, so let's see here. So we have our link, and we know our link's going to open up in a new window. And you can tell that, my cursor here changes to the little pointer, and then up pops the Visit the Tree Wiki. Okay, so that's how that works. Now let's see if we come here, and see how that changed to a link right there? And if we wait, Visit the Tree Wiki. See that? So now if we click on this, it opens up in a new window. So I realized that was quite a bit. I know it was, everything we've gone through. However, this right here, as you can see now, I realize this looks terrible. It does. This is a hideous looking web page. However, what we have here is a very, very solid structure that we can build upon. And we can see, you can look at any web page now that has some content on it, some text and some images and some links, and you'll know that, these different size text on here are different headings. The paragraphs are being formatted with p tags. If you see any formatting like italics or bold, you know that these are happening due to emphasis or strong or bold or italics tags, right? And you know the links are actually working with this the href and then giving you the address. You know that when you hover, these titles are popping up because they're actually inside of the code. And then this image is actually being referenced from a folder, and what it's doing is it's actually replacing this source here. It's just replacing it with the actual image on the web page. And so I think that you can really get a lot right here, and this is a great place to stop for the week. Next week what we're going to do is we're going to add some CSS, which means we'll be using a different language. And actually, don't worry though, today was without a doubt the most in-depth coding that we're going to be doing the entire semester. Alright, so next week what we're going to do is we're going to use CSS to grab these tags that are being identified and giving more instructions on how things should look and be displayed. So anyway, I hope that helped.